Hello guys, back with my YouTube channel KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about Bollywood news tab November 15. Diljit Tushant in legal trouble a year of her Hyderabad concert. Mahib one night and stand with a Sanjay and more. From Diljit Tushant getting notice from a Telangana government before the concert to Mahib Kapoor, revealing she agreed to marry her now husband, and Sanjay Kapoor while being drunk. Here are the top stories of November 15, 2024. Today, November 15, 2024, Hindi film industry witnessed some important revelations by actors, legal trouble for singer, and news updates in case you missed any of it. If we have created this a news wrap for your from a Diljit Dosanjh receiving official notice from a Telangana government before the concert in Hyderabad is a fabulous life is the Bollywood wife star Mahib Kapoor revealing she agreed to marry her now husband Sanjay Kapoor while being drunk. Here's what all happens today. Here are the top headline of November 50, 2024. Diljit Dosanjh received notice from a Telangana government before concert in Hyderabad. I heard of Diljit concert in Hyderabad. His illuminati tower has come under legal trouble. Seattle Telangana government has issued notice and prohibiting him from performing for or any songs that promote substance abuse, violence, or drugs. The notice comes after a complaint with a filed by a resident in a Chandigarh expressing concern over the issue and its impact on the audience. Also, it implies that no children should appear on stage during the concert and about the harmful effect of loud sounds and a flashing light on them. Amir Khan is treating the next 10 years as the last years of his active career. In a new interview with the Hollywood Reporter, Amir Khan recalled that he had a plan to quit acting early during the pandemic, but his family had convinced convinced him otherwise. So when she decided to work again, he realized it might be last decade of his active career and wanted to make the most of it. And the superstar shared that he has accepted 6 new projects, something he never did early because he has been thinking about the uncertainty of life. As a result, he want to highly productive and make the most of it. Mahib Kapoor recalled the accepted Sanjay Kapoor marriage proposal when she was drunk. Fabulous Lives, where Bollywood wife star Mahik Kapoor shared some interesting insights about her marriage in a unique Rajani show. The diva, who has been married of over 13 years, had a rom-com short of love story with Sanjay Kapoor. She revealed the work drunk when get rest a party with Sanjay and they had a one night stand with the eventually turned into the marriage. Kapoor also mentioned she met her in last when she was drunk but they accepted her wholeheartedly. Karan Johar defends selling 15% stake in a drama production to other and Poonawalla. Karan Johar and is a drama production and a headlines recently when she was a filmmaker sold is a 15 stake in a company. Ajay Bhamra, CEO of a Serum Institute, it was the sold Rs 100 crore, 1000 crore in a recent conversations with CNBC TV 80 Global Leadership Summit. The director joked about remaining the company to a Pharma production of a Khushi Kabhi Serum. He defended the decision by sharing the thought behind it. The Johar shared a took off the stop with a vision to convince the creativity to world film with the strong financial insight from the Poonwala. He admitted it would help a grow to company and help retain his creative freedom. Priyanka Chopra spent a wonderful day with her daughter Marthy Mary. Priyanka Chopra treated the fans with an adorable photo drum featuring her daughter Marthy Mary Chopra Jones and the actress busy shooting for the next season of a Kite took some time out to spend her day with a multi as they visited the National History Museum, Museums in London. In the picture, her title, Little One looked cute as it realized tasty food. Strolled, thought, carried curiously observed, had a surrounding and enjoyed her time with her mom. Priyanka Shia captured it writing in a between sleeves, accompanied by a campy Christmas tree and a Champing, photos, leaves, and a coralized emoji sound on a combined by the loudspeaker emoji. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.